Hi, hello everyone. This is Dr. Chiranjeevi Manike, Professor and Head of Data Science and Cybersecurity Department, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. As part of data mining video lecture series, in this lecture, we are going to discuss another kind of data web mining. So that is structure mining, web structure mining. So here we need to understand what is web structure mining. Then we'll see some terminologies related to the web structure, and we'll also spend some time on this hyperlink analysis techniques and also the methodologies for applying this hyperlink analysis. So what is the web structure mining? Structure of a typical web graph consists of web pages as nodes. So these are the web pages, and also the hyperlinks as the edges. So these are the hyperlinks as edges connecting between the two related pages. So web structure mining can be, so these structures need to be mined in this web structure. So it would be defined as the process of discovering a structured information from the web. So this type of mining can be performed either at the inter-page, that is intra-page document level, or at the inter-page, that is at a hyperlink level. So the research at the hyperlink level, this is also called as a link analysis, hyperlink analysis. Hyperlinks mainly serves the two main purposes. One is important one is the pure navigation. So this can be used to retrieve the useful information from the web. So let us look at what are the different terminologies used in this web structure. So a web graph, it is a directed graph that represents the web node. Let me draw this again. This is directed graph. So this is a graph, web graph. This is called as a web graph, and this is a directed graph. And node, each web page is a node of the web graph, and these are the nodes. So these are the web pages. A link, each hyperlink on the web is a directed edge of the web graph. There is some direction, that is from this to this one. So this is a link. In degree, that is in degree of a node P, let us take this as a P. So is the number of distinct links that point to the P. So these are the three distinct links, three links pointing to the node P. Whereas out degree is the number of nodes, number of a node, that is P, is the number of distinct links originating at a P that point to other nodes. So these are the three out degree. Out degree of this node is a 3 here. And directed path, it is a sequence of links from the starting from the P that can be followed to reach the another node Q. Next, the shortest path, that is of all the paths between the nodes between the P and Q, which has the shortest length. That is the shortest length means it is the number of links on it. Next, diameter, that is the maximum of all the shortest paths between a pair of nodes of P and Q for all pairs of nodes P and Q in the web graph. Let us check what are the hyperlink analysis. So hyperlink is the link between the two web pages. So the hyperlink analysis techniques include the knowledge models, analysis scope and properties, measures and algorithms. So applications. So here we are not going to discuss all varieties of under the each category. So we mostly look at each one category under the each technique maximum. So let us see what is the knowledge models. So the underlying representation that forms the basis to carry out the application specific task. We use the different knowledge models here. Next, analysis scope and properties. The scope of the analysis specifies if the task is relevant to the single node or a set of nodes or the entire graph. So the properties are the characteristics of single node or the set of nodes or the entire graph. Next, measures and algorithms. The measures are the standards for the properties such as the quality, relevance, distance between the nodes. Algorithms are designed for the efficient computation of these measures. Next, there's three areas. So from the fundamental, these are the fundamental blocks for building the various applications based on the hyperlink analysis. So hyperlink analysis methodologies, if you look at these methodologies can be classified using the different dimensions like knowledge model, metrics, analysis, scope, and algorithms are the four different dimensions. So if this is a page rank, it is a one method here, the page rank, Google's page rank. So Google's page rank is it is an algorithm used in the Google search, that is to find the importance or the importance of a particular page. So let us see here. This is the animation that is prepared by this Wikipedia, that is to explain this page rank. And here you can see the page, the importance of page, the size, the node, larger the node size, the more important or the more the quality of that particular web page. So here that actually will be represented in this form. Here you can see some percentages like 34.3 percentage, 38.4 percentage, etc. And these are the importance perceived, like that is mainly based on the number of links quality, number and the quality of links a particular website is having. So based on that it will be calculated, these ratios. Next, hubs and authorities. These are the two types of websites. There are two types or two categories of websites. Those are mainly used to understand how the information is flowing through in the social medias. So hubs and authorities are the fans and centers in a bipartite graph, core of a web graph. So a good hub page is one that points to the many good authority pages. And similarly, a good authority page is a one that is pointed by the many good hub pages. Next, web communities. Web communities can be described as a collection of web pages such that each member node has more hyperlinks, that is in either direction within the community than the outside the communities. So let us quickly summarize what we have discussed about this web structure mining. So web structure is a useful source for extracting information such as the quality of web page, that is in terms of authority of a page on a topic, rankings of web pages, and interesting web structures like a graph patterns, co-citation, social choice, complete bipartite graphs, etc. And web page classification, that is classify the web pages according to the various topics. So within the pages to crawl, that is deciding which pages to add to the collection of the web pages, and finding the related pages, given one relevant page and find all the related pages. Next, detection of duplicated pages, detection of, that is neared mirror sites to eliminate the duplications. That's it. Thank you for watching.